How to download YouTube playlist on your laptop. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys a quick and easy way to download YouTube playlist so that you can watch offline. But before we get started, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let us jump right into the video. The very first thing you're going to do is open up your Google Chrome or any other web browser on your PC and then simply search for youtube.com. And once you open up your YouTube, you're just going to have to find the playlist that you want to download. So let me just search for a playlist, something like web dev playlist, and hit enter. So I'll be able to get different playlists here. So let me just open this one right here. And once you get to the playlist, you just have to go ahead and click on it to view full course. And then you will be able to get to this playlist right here. So as you can see, this playlist contains 139 videos. So if you want to download the entire playlist so that you could watch offline, then you're going to have to go ahead and simply click on this download option to add it to your library. As you can see, the playlist is now downloading. And after the download is complete, you could just find it on your library. So just head over to your playlists right here and you'll be able to find it on this. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found the tutorial helpful and I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching.